All right, so what we're going to do is we're just going to review basic stuff. So let's think about this. What is 3x plus 2y if x equals 7 and y equals 3? Okay. So what do you guys think I need to do to figure out what that is? Yes. Plug them in, right? So wherever there is a 3, or I'm sorry, wherever there's an x, and I'll do some color coding here. Wherever there's an x, I can plug in the value for 7. Now 3x really means 3 times the value of x, right? You guys remember that from Algebra 1? So I'm just going to put 3 parentheses 7 plus 2 parentheses, and same thing with the y. Wherever there is a y, I'm just going to plug in the value of 3 for y. So I'm going to say 2 times 3. So what is the 3 times? That's how my son's that's how they talk to me. I don't know why. It's kind of weird actually. What is 3 times 7? 21. 21. You guys remember that? What's 2 times 3? 6. All right, cool. Okay, so order of operations, and I know you guys probably remember this, but we'll talk about this. We're always going to do, please excuse my dear Aunt Sally, right? That's the acronym to remember it, PEMDAS. Some people call it PEMDAS, but that just means we're going to do the parentheses first. We're going to do exponents, okay? Then we're going to do multiplication, division, adding, and subtracting. So in any math problem, we go in this order. Now, multiplication and division are actually kind of the same. So for those, we go left to right. And addition and subtraction are actually kind of the same too. So we would go left to right. So let me change my plus sign. That's not the greatest. So that would go left to right. I put L to S. Oh, that's funny. I got to set this up. It's like throwing me off a little bit. I'm supposed to have a tablet, and I don't have a tablet, and I have a tablet that I brought from home, and my computer keeps trying to download the software for the new tablet that I don't have. I don't know. It's messing it up a little bit, but that's okay. So anyways, that's why we did the multiplication first, right? So we're going to multiply this before we add it. Does that make sense? And now that we're done multiplying everything, we just add things up. What's 21 times 6? 27. Also, probably what we should do is let's just call this example number 1. Okay? Any questions? I know that